Hello and welcome to Orin-X. In this video we talk about responsive design in CSS. If you enjoy our content, leave a like, comment and subscribe to Orin-X for more creative videos. In this video, we're going to be discussing techniques for making a website look good on all devices and screen sizes, including the use of media queries and responsive grid systems. With the rise of mobile devices and different screen sizes, it's more important than ever to have a website that is responsive and adaptable to different devices. First, let's talk about media queries. Media queries are a technique in CSS that allows you to apply different styles based on the screen size and resolution of the device. This means you can change the layout, font size, and other styles based on the device being used to view the website. You can use media queries to target specific screen sizes and resolutions, such as max width, for 80px to target devices with a screen width of 480 pixels or less. You can also use min width and min height to target larger screens. Next, let's talk about responsive grid systems. A responsive grid system is a layout technique that allows you to create a grid-based layout that adjusts to the screen size of the device. This is done by using a combination of media queries and CSS grid or flexbox to create a flexible grid layout that adapts to different screen sizes. By using a combination of media queries and responsive grid systems, you can create a website that looks good on all devices, whether it's a desktop computer, a laptop, a tablet, or a smartphone. In summary, responsive design is an essential technique for any web developer to understand. By using media queries and responsive grid systems, you can create a website that is adaptable to different devices and screen sizes, ensuring that your website looks good on any device. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.